If you're like me, throwing tech loosely into a bag where it can get scratched or damaged is a nightmare. So I bought this tech pouch to keep everything separate with its special origami dividers. G'day, I'm Cam, and how cool is this? It's like a pop-up book. This is the Inateck Tech bag, very similar to the Peak Designs tech pouch. However, I paid a third of the price for this, and it opens a full 180 degrees to easily access large items and your elastic straps. We're gonna start from the outside and work our way in. With a splash-resistant and hard-wearing 1200D material, the base fabric beads water like a duck's back, with the upper needing more of a wipe dry. This should help protect from a leaking water bottle in a bag or a knocked over glass if it's zipped up. The zipper is a YKK tough zipper, but it's not a water resistant zipper, so the teeth are exposed. You can see in my backpack what a water resistant zipper looks like. This is not. So if water resistant zippers are important to you, I will be sharing some more expensive alternatives later in this video that have them. Looking inside, there's lots of pockets, dividers, elastic, even a zipped compartment. If you're a neat freak, you're gonna really love having all these pockets. For the past month, it sat mostly on my standing desk and held my pencil case, sticky notes, all the little things that are scattered around just to keep them in one place. This is the large model, so there is a smaller option available. The outer walls are 4mm thick, so you get some padding protection, and the inner triangles are 90mm wide, making that center diamond about 180mm. And I say about because you can stretch and mold the dividers to fit a thick and short item or a long and thin one. Due to this, I try and keep symmetry between both sides, allowing for the internals to best mold around each item. The biggest item, a Nintendo Switch with Joy-Cons attached, would be your max width. Also, if you're considering airline travel, bear in mind that the internal dividers will add to the overall weight compared to a standard alternative. It's also going to hold less than a bag of similar volume given the space taken up by the dividers. However, that doesn't stop it from letting me fit 5 bananas inside. It could fit 6, but I've only got 5. Real talk, it fits my main essentials like a laptop charger, charge cable, daily planner, my headphones, some sticky notes, and a coaster. That's right, a floppy disk baby. Pens for a notepad and for my super note. That's right, if it's my super note, this is my Android ink tablet. If you haven't seen the review, I'll link it at the end of this video. Love this thing. All of this goes in. I can then zip around, tuck the super note's little pen tab in. Done. No room for bananas anymore. Now when I'm working elsewhere, I'm no longer rummaging through my backpack and I can pull everything out at once onto the table. And yeah, you heard that right. Floppy disks as coasters. It's a vibe. Mate, I'm struggling to find a reason to not buy this thing. Even the handle has double stitching, but at its price point, it is missing some features that the more premium offerings have. Like the Peak Design tech pouch, which most likely inspired the Inateck's origami design, but it only opens about 45 degrees, has more handles and strap mounts so you can wear it as a bag, an external zip pocket with pass-through for a charging cable. And not only is the outside a 100% recycled weatherproof material, it has a weatherproof zip. At 122 Australian dollars, it's 3 times the price of this bag, and I personally couldn't justify that price, so I looked for cheaper alternatives. At 60 bucks, the TomToc Organiser on Amazon has a water-resistant recycled material outer and zips with covers. It looks like you could clip a strap to the corners, turning it into a sling. Don't forget to check Amazon price history with the 3 camels. We can see here that its lowest price has been $51. But even cheaper than that is Inateck's other option of this bag. It's pretty much the same as mine, except it's restricted to about a 45-degree opening. Has a water-resistant outer with no zip covers. However, just like the TomToc, the sides of the handles look like you could latch a strap to them. I'm just not sure if it's strong enough to bear weight. But with the retail of 40 bucks and tracking showing often 30, it could be worth a try. And this leads us to why I picked this one. Ultimately, it's down to use case. I wanted to put my loose tech inside and then put this into my backpack. So the weather resistant zippers and strap mounts wasn't a requirement of mine. They're nice to have, but I didn't need them. The others restrict the opening, so if you use them like a bag, the tech shouldn't fall out. Oops. For me, having it sit on my desk in the semi-open state is great, but being able to push completely open for large items or fiddling cables through the elastic is an excellent feature. The 3 camels pin retail at 40 bucks, but the price has once dropped to $32. And that's why I snagged this on Prime Day for an absolute bargain. Now, if you use the links below to purchase this or an alternative discussed, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but since I'm now a full-time YouTuber, that's right, how sick dude, it does make a big difference to me. Also, I want to hear in the comments below what your unique piece of tech is or essential item that you carry. If you like this video, thumbs it. If you loved it, sub it, and I'll see you in a tech review up here or a custom tech project down there. Thanks for watching. Yes! I got it!